Hi everyone, this is an affiliate marketing course that is very beginner friendly and it's taught by someone who does affiliate marketing full time, which is myself. My name is Vitaly. I'll be showing you who I am in a moment and my actual income stats from affiliate marketing so you know that this business actually works. I'm going to be providing you in this quick course the 4 steps that are necessary in order to become a success at the affiliate marketing business. And it really comes down to picking a niche, making a site, driving traffic to the site, and selling products on the site to make affiliate commissions. Now, if none of this makes sense to you, don't worry, I'll be going into the details of each of these steps as we progress through this video. Now, I just want to give you my resume so you know that I'm a legitimate individual. My name is Vitaly. Let me show you a quick image of myself. That's me, and I've made over 1 million in sales through affiliate marketing, and I will be showing you proof right now, which is the income stats. So here's one of them. This is a check I received from ClickBank back in 2011. I actually started this business in 2005, and I was very unsuccessful for a lot of years, but I continued to push through and I made it work. So let me just enhance that. It's hard to see this because this was scanned, but it says $21,456.68. This was made in 2 weeks from promoting a diet product. Now, additionally, I'm going to show you income stats for another program that I'm working with. So this month, I'm going to make over $4,000. And if I scroll down a little bit and I go to payout history, this is a promotion that I've been doing for many years, and I make thousands of dollars every single month from it. And overall, I've made over 200,000 from this particular promotion, and this is all through affiliate marketing. Yeah, it's a nice thing. So additionally, I will show you another program. Another program is called ClickBank, and I make not a lot of sales here, but I'm just being transparent with you guys here. I used to make a lot from this particular program, but then I switched over because my time is just, you can only do so much as an affiliate marketer before it's like, okay, I need to focus on what's bringing in the most money. And currently, this is the one that's bringing in the most money. But anyway, this is another program that's bringing in money for me. It's a few hundred every single month, and I'm hoping to increase that little by little. And I'm also going to show you Amazon real quick. Now, I also promote stuff on Amazon as an affiliate marketer, and that doesn't really make a lot of money. See, it's 15.92, not a lot. So, like I said before, when you get into this business, you're going to have a lot of options to promote a lot of things across different sites, but you only have 24 hours in a day, so you really want to focus on stuff that brings you the most money. And in my particular case, this is what works most for me. You may find that something else works differently for you. So that being said, let me get back into the course real quick. And I already explained who I am. I already gave you the stats of what I've been doing. So since 2005, I've been doing this business. Like I said, I failed a lot. I had a lot of interesting experiences, but as I learned to build success, I learned to replicate that success, and that's shown in the numbers that I just gave you. So let's get into the actual course, and I will explain to you how it is that I do what I do. So firstly, affiliate marketing. I know many of you might have heard of it, and you may already know the definition of it, but let me just quickly explain it so we're on the same page. It's just basically a business model where you promote other people's companies, products, and services and get paid a commission. Now that commission could be a little, it could be a lot, it could be recurring, which means that you can make it every single month. And just as an example, person A, the affiliate, promotes person B's products, which is the product owner, and for each sale, person A gets a commission. That is the basic rundown of affiliate marketing. Now, there's different ways to make affiliate marketing work. Now, you can create an e-commerce site, which is something you probably for sure may have seen across the internet. And the idea of making e-commerce sites work is you want to send traffic to it through paid means and sell products on the site that you're promoting. Now, paid means it can be done through Facebook, it could be done through Google AdWords, Bing Ads, different kinds of paid advertising networks. You create a website, you put products on that website that are e-commerce things, and they're not yours, but you basically provide a link that sends people to buy that, and once they do, you make a commission. That's an e-commerce site. Now, make a blog. That's the second option, and I highlighted it in green because that's the one that I personally use and the one that I believe is the best one for beginners and the best one that's also most cost effective. Because the idea is you create a blog, you blog about certain topics, and you send traffic to it through paid and free means, and you sell products that you're promoting. I'm also going to be giving you my personal websites as an example to show how I do this. And the third option is to make a site and collect an email list. This is something that's preached by a lot of internet marketers, but the truth is most of them are unsuccessful at doing this. This can work. But the idea is still the same. You send traffic to a site, you collect an email list, and then you sell to your email list through emails. Now, regardless of which option you choose, and I personally recommend this option, there's 4 steps to affiliate marketing success, and like I said, I'll be giving you a breakdown of each step right now. The first one is pick a niche. Now, a niche is basically a specific problem topic that people have. Now, note I said specific problem topic. Okay, so if you look at these particular examples that I've given you, the green ones are actually niches. The yellow ones are very broad topics because you have a lot of subtopics within these things. I would not recommend that you make a site on any of the yellow topics or let alone the red topics because they're just way too general and way too broad. You want it to be specific and you want to target a specific problem. So lose belly fat, how to make the skin look younger, gaming laptops, stop hair loss in women, stopping knee pain, investing in the stock market, dating advice for men or for women. These are great niche topics, and you don't necessarily have to pick these particular ones that I've shown you here. You should ideally pick something that's based on the following three parameters. It should be close to your heart, something that you know a lot about. It should be a specific topic, aka something in the green topic, and it should also be a big problem. So the bigger the problem, the more the audience wants to have a solution. Think about all the, for example, women that have hair loss issues and they go on the internet and they look for solutions to their hair loss issues. Imagine having a blog or collecting an email list or having an e-commerce page that sells hair loss solutions to women. That would be a very successful site. I'm just throwing out examples on there, but these are legitimate examples that you can use. So once you pick a niche, which is step one, the second part is making a site. Now there are free options available and paid options available: WordPress, Wix, Blogger. But there's a special gift, a special bonus option that I'll be providing at the end of this video that's going to show you an easy way to do this. That's also going to include even more in-depth training with these 4 steps that you can try for free. And step 3 is driving traffic, which is visitors to the site. Anytime you hear traffic generation, that basically means getting visitors to the website. Now, when I say traffic, this is something that's mistaught by a lot of programs and people that think they know affiliate marketing. I don't just mean any traffic. I mean you want niche traffic to come to your site. That's what sells. Now, to get traffic to your site, you can make ads or you can use my preferred option, which is blogging, where you write about niche topics and they get ranked on Google and you get traffic that comes to your site as a result of that. So if I use this example above where I was talking about how to stop hair loss for women as one of the examples, if you have a blog that talks about different products that help women stop their hair loss, guess what? That content that you write on your blog is going to get picked up by Google and other search engines. It's going to get ranked on Google and it's going to drive specifically women that have hair loss issues. That's the traffic that you want. You don't just want any kind of traffic to come to your site. You want niche specific traffic. In this case, women that have hair loss issues, because those are the ones that are going to buy and those are the ones that are going to make you a successful affiliate marketer. Now, that's step 3. Step 4 is promote products on the site to make affiliate commissions. Now, the beauty of this is that there's so many different programs on the internet. There's Amazon, there's ClickBank, there's individual affiliate programs, Commission Junction. You can become even an affiliate for Best Buy, for Walmart, for hair loss companies, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to find. And there's many different places. And what they do is they give you links and you put those links on your website where, for example, if you're promoting a hair loss product for women, you say click here to get this product, and once people click on that and they buy the product, you get a commission into your account. And at the end of the month, at the end of 2 weeks, for example, however it gets paid out, it gets sent to you through PayPal or through direct deposit or through a check in the mail. That's how you get paid as an affiliate marketer. Now, here are the 4 steps illustrated as real-time examples, and I'm going to show you a few of my sites that generate income through these 4 steps. So this is one of my main websites. This is a site where I teach people how to make money on the internet, and this is the site that actually generates me the income that you're seeing over here, thousands every single month, and I'm trying to improve upon that. Now, this is mainly a site that generates visitors traffic through blogging. What I do is I talk about different make money online programs, about different ways to make money on the internet, and I basically steer them into a particular affiliate promotion where I get paid for every person that I drive to that program. And here's another option. This is a website that talks about what's known as mud runs. Now, mud runs are basically events that you do where you run through mountains, obstacle courses. Think about if you ever heard of the Spartan race or Tough Mud or things like that. This is where I talk about that. This site gets about over 50 visitors a day. It's not a lot, but I've sold about hundreds worth of products, like such as special shoes for running and special clothing as an affiliate marketer. And this all leads to places like Amazon. Now, a third option is, my personal option is, I have a site that sells drones. This one also made a few $100s. I love collecting drones personally, so I made a site about that. And it's also a niche topic. And they're all following the same steps that I'm telling you about. I basically blog about different drones that are out there. I review them. They pop up on Google, and that's how it works out. So, for example, let me just go to Firefox, for instance. Let me go to Google. And on Google, let me type in one of the products that I listed. So Autel Evo, that's the name of a drone. So if I type in Autel Evo review and I search for it, you should see my site on the first or second page. There it is, the Drone Adventure. See, that's my website, and I review this, and people that type in Autel Evil review, they will see my site on the first page, and they will click on it, and if they click on the links that are in this page and buy the drone or buy another drone that's on that site, I will get a commission for that. That is how affiliate marketing works, and that's how I've been doing it for many, many years. Now, in the final part of this lesson, this course, I want to explain how you can do this exact same stuff that I'm doing as well. In my personal experience, the best way to do the 4 steps and become a successful affiliate marketer is through proper guidance. I gave you a lot of details in this video, but the truth is, if you want to get started with this, you need specific step-by-step instructions. Like step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, you get the point. And in my experience, the thing that has given me the most results out of implementing these 4 steps is a program called Wealthy Affiliate. This is literally the program that trained me to do what I do today full time, and the training in this video is a reflection of that. And the income stats that I showed you are also a reflection of that training being put into practice and working for me. Now, the beauty is that Wealthy Affiliate has 2 ways you can join it: a free and paid option. I recommend anyone who is interested in doing affiliate marketing try the free option. I'm going to leave a link below this video that's going to take you to that place, and I'm also going to offer a special bonus in a moment where I will actually offer my coaching, which is the special bonus. So you'll actually have help from an expert affiliate marketer helping you become an expert affiliate marketer as well. Now, the beauty of the free option isn't just that it's free to join, but it also provides you a main training course, which is 10 lessons accessible for free, which teaches you the 4 steps, and they also give you 2 free websites in addition to support and help, including my free coaching. Now, if you enjoy the program and you want to upgrade and get access to even more lessons, unlimited support, help, unlimited coaching for myself, unlimited hosting for websites that you make, and just all access material into this program. There's over 1 million members in this program. It's $49 a month, and it's optional. If you don't want to upgrade, you don't have to. You can just stay as a free member anytime you want. I do recommend you upgrade if you like the course and you want to take your business further. That's my personal thing. Now, I just want to end this by giving you an inside look into Wealthy Affiliate to show you that it's a legit program. Now, this is Wealthy Affiliate. This is what the homepage looks like. Like I said, I left the link below this video, so if you access it, I can log in, but you just enter your email address and it's free to join. And once you log in, I will be notified that you joined, and I will leave you a message on the profile page that you have. But to get started, you just click on Training over here. It's going to say Online Entrepreneur Certification. You click on Get Started. And on this Getting Started thing, you will have 10 main course lessons that will run you through the very same 4 steps that I was just showing you. But the difference is that they're way more detailed. They'll have you create your first free website, and they'll have you implement the training on that free website. So you will actually be building an affiliate marketing business as you're going through it. This is the exact same course that I went through to become the success story that I am today. And in addition, like I said, I will also be offering you my free coaching. So for example, the way it works is if you join through the link below, I'll be notified. And for example, see how it says tasks here? These are my referrals that are joining. And if they ever have any questions, I'm notified about that here. And that is how I teach, and how I train, how I coach the people that join this program through me. So you get access to my help every single time. So once I'm finished with this video, I'm going to see the 1 task that's left for me to do. There's always a very little number of tasks because I'm constantly helping anyone that joins this program through me. And I have your progress in the past 30 days, see 100%. That means I'm helping people out, helping people do this like I do it. So that pretty much sums it up. I hope this affiliate marketing video course has helped answer a lot of the questions that you have about this business and how to get started in it. And if there's any questions that you have, please leave it below this video or wherever you're seeing this video on, if it's on the side, if it's shared anywhere, this kind of thing. And I'd be more than happy to answer that because, I've been through the pitfalls and the difficulties it is to become a success in this business. I know how it works. I know the best way to become a success in it, to start from nothing and become a full-time marketer like I am. And I showed you that in this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, and have a great one.